Hey everyone! Welcome back to Financial 365, where we talk about making money, saving money, and building wealth. Today, we're diving into the top 3 passive income ideas for 2025. Passive income is money you earn with little to no ongoing effort after the initial setup. It's like planting a seed that grows into a cash machine. Whether you're 18 or 45, these ideas are beginner-friendly and backed by real numbers. Let's make 2025 your year to build wealth drop alike if you're ready to get started. Let's kick things off with Dividend Stock Investing, a classic that's still a powerhouse in 2025. Companies like Microsoft and Johnson pay shareholders dividends, which are like cash bonuses for owning their stock, according to Morningstar. Dividend aristocrats, companies that have raised dividends for 25-plus years, delivered an average yield of 2.5% in 2024, and that's expected to hold steady. For example, if you invest $20,000 in a stock with a 3% dividend yield, that's $600 a year in passive income paid quarterly. Reinvest those dividends, and your portfolio could grow exponentially over time. In 2025, sectors like renewable energy and healthcare are hot, with companies like NextEra Energy offering solid dividends. How to start? Open an account with a platform like Vanguard or Charles Schwab. Most have no minimums. Research dividend-paying ETFs like VYM for instant diversification. Set up a DRIP dividend reinvestment plan to compound your gains. Quick stat: the S&P 500 dividend yield averaged 1.8% in 2024, but top dividend stocks can hit 4 to 6%. This takes some upfront research, but once your portfolio is set, it's hands-off cash flow. Have you started investing yet? Comment below and let me know what's holding you back. Next up, selling digital products, a favorite for creative hustlers. In 2025, the e-learning market is projected to hit $400 billion per Statista, and you can grab a slice of it. Thinkerbooks, online courses, or printables like budget planners or fitness trackers. The beauty: you create it once, and it sells forever. Take Sarah, a teacher who made a $15 ebook on classroom management. She listed it on Gumroad, promoted it on Pinterest, and now earns $2,000 a month passively. That's 130 plus sales a month with zero extra work. How to start? Pick a niche you're passionate about, maybe photography, personal finance, or cooking. Use free tools like Canva for printables or Emovi for course videos. Sell on platforms like Etsy for printables or Thinkific for courses. Drive traffic with social media or a small blog. Pro tip: in 2025, niches like AI productivity or sustainable living are exploding. Create a product that solves a specific problem, and you're golden. If you've got a digital product idea, share it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Number 3 is real estate crowdfunding, the easiest way to invest in property without being a landlord. Platforms like Fundrise or Arrived let you invest in real estate for as little as $10. In 2024, Fundrise reported average annual returns of 7 to 9%. And with housing demand still strong in 2025, this is a no-brainer. Here's how it works. You invest in projects like rental properties or commercial buildings. You earn dividends from rent or profits when the property sells. For example, $5,000 invested at an 8% return could net you $400 a year, completely passive. How to start? Sign up for Fundrise or Groundfloor. Both are beginner-friendly. Choose projects based on your risk tolerance, e.g., residential versus commercial. Reinvest dividends to grow your income over time. Quick stat: the National Association of Realtors predicts rental demand will rise 5% in 2025, making this a great time to jump in if you're curious about real estate. Hit that subscribe button for more investing tips. Before we wrap up, let's bust some myths. First, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes upfront effort or capital. Second, you don't need to be rich to start. Platforms like Fundrise let you begin with $10, and digital products can be made for free. Finally, passive income doesn't mean zero work forever. You'll need to check your investments or update products occasionally, but it's way less effort than a 9 to 5. The key: start small and stay consistent. There you have it, the top 3 passive income ideas for 2025: dividend stocks, digital products, and real estate crowdfunding. These strategies can help you build wealth while you sleep. Whether you've got $10 or $10,000 to start, pick one, take action, and watch your income grow. Which idea are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you found this video valuable, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly money tips. Check out the links in the description for Fundrise, Gumroad, and more resources to get started. Thanks for watching. And let's make 2025 your year of financial freedom.